Acid-related tooth erosion can gradually wear away enamel and change the shape of a tooth over time.
A dental professional carefully evaluates the amount of enamel wear before recommending appropriate care.
Acid erosion gradually dissolves enamel, and once enamel is lost, it does not naturally grow back. If restoration is appropriate, the tooth is carefully prepared while preserving healthy remaining structure. In selected cases, a tooth-colored restorative material may be used to rebuild areas affected by enamel erosion. The restoration is carefully shaped to recreate the tooth's natural contour and function. The restoration is professionally set and refined to create a smooth, natural-looking surface. The restored tooth is polished and carefully checked for appearance, comfort, and function. Professional restoration may improve suitable eroded teeth, while managing the cause of erosion helps protect long-term dental health. This video is for general education only. If you have tooth erosion or enamel wear, consult a qualified dental professional for evaluation and treatment.